Hello everyone, my name is Vedant Patel and today's I will solve a most popular LeetCode question to sum. First of all, so we need this question. Given an array of integers, nums and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution and you may not the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. In this first example, we have array and target value. In this array, 2, 7, 11, and 15 is a array of element. If sum of any two number is equal to the target value, so we will return their index. In this example, in this array, sum of 2 and 7 is equal 9. It equal to the target value. So we will return their index of 2 is 0 and index of 7 is 1. In this second example, sum of 2 and 4 is equal to the target value 6. So we will return index of 2 is 1 and index of 4 is 2. In this in this question, we will solve brute force method. So first of all, we have array and 4, 7, 3, 8, 5 is the array of elements and our target value is equal to 15. So I and j is a array of index. I moves, I stay all element and j stay remaining element. First of all, I is the 0 index and j is the next index. So first to check 4 and 7. 4 plus 7 does not 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. So this is does not is equal to 15. So j moves from next element and check 4 and 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So this is does not is equal to target value. So j moves from next element and check 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. So this is does not is equal to our target value. So j moves from next element and check 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So this is does not is equal to our target value. So j moves from all element. So next I is moves from next element and j moves next. And then check 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So does not is equal to our target value. So j moves from next element and then check 7 plus 8 is equal to target value. So this is our target value. So return 7 and 8 of 1 and 3. Next part, solve this question. First of all, we have used two pointer method. First for loop is first pointer. First of all, int I is equal to 0, I less than nums dot size I plus plus, and then second for loop is the second pointer. Int j is equal to I plus 1. J is always I plus 1. J less than nums dot size j plus plus. If nums of I plus nums of J is equal target. So we will return. So we will return their index I and j. If does not is equal target value, so we will return in the out of for loop blank string and then check this question. So our question solve all method and case all case. So we will submit this question. So and there our question time complexity is O n square and space complexity is O of 1. So thank you.